Copy the customer's address PIN code either on Super App or Sage Pilot. Go to Shree Tirupathi website. In Shree Tirupathi website, navigate to Network section. Enter the PIN code in Network Search or Service Availability. And click on Go. If service is available, it will show nearest facilities. If service is not available, we can get contacts of nearest facilities and contact them regarding the issue. Navigate to Client Login and Login. Enter the AWB number of the order with the issue. Which is the consignment number of the order. If any issue arises, raise a ticket. Navigate to Message Vault to raise the ticket. Click on New Message. Check the issue in the order. Add relevant subject and also mention the issue in the message, including the order status and location. Upload a copy or screenshot of the issue using Choose File option. Click on Send. Make sure to check the inbox the next day to find. Once this is done, go to Tirupati Courier X Taos WhatsApp group and tag Mr. Mukesh and send a voice note regarding the same.